Getting ready for science.
We went to a science festival where kids can participate in hands-on activities and demonstrations and engage with STEM professionals like these engineers.
We're civil engineers, so we help design things. So an architect shows you a pretty picture, right? They show you how it's going to look. But then a civil engineer comes in and we tell you how it's going to work. So you have wonderful people like Mariah, who's an engineer, who goes in.
Hi guys, so this is Mariah and she is a civil engineer.
My name is Mariah. I am a civil engineer with Robert Civil Engineering. And what we'll do is we'll lay out the site design, where the building's going to be placed, how we're going to lay out the parking lot and the roads. And then once that's approved, we'll go into site construction. We make sure that everything is like not flooded, and making sure that everything is safe, and then definitely help people with the development for the city.
Well, thank you for sharing some time with us, and it was really nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
All right, take care.
As we walked, we came across this robotics demonstration and spoke to Jaya about the group.
How did you get into robotics?
So me and a couple of other high schoolers started this club. We are like some of the only people that have them in the city because all the other ones are in Japan.
Okay.
And all the tournaments are there. We want to be able to expose the whole city to it. So
That's awesome.
So we can kind of be like Japan.
And what grade are you in?
10.
You're in 10th grade.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're doing all this in 10th grade.
Because of gyms.
Thank you very much, and good luck.
There were activities everywhere.
Hi, this is Destination Imagination. We do STEAM challenges, so we host STEAM challenges for students from K to 12. And in Florida, we'll have a tournament this year in March in Orlando. Hope everybody can join us.
Thank you.
We even met the authors of the book, Bella the Scientist Goes to Outer Space.
We explain the differences between astronauts and astronomers. On the last few pages, we have a science experiment, the scientific method, planet research, solar system facts, and about the author.
Awesome.
If you love science, raise your hand really, really high. Really, really high.
The hands-on demonstration by the festival host, Sciences, was awesome.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Don't touch it. We're not touching because this is so cold that it can actually burn you. What do I have on my hand, everybody? Safety first. But what I want you all to do is blow on it. Go ahead and blow. Harder. That was weak. One more time. Oh, yeah. One more time. All right, so you see stuff coming off here.
Yeah, science, what should we do next? I think we should put it in here.
I think we should put it in the picture. Who thinks we should do that?
Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. Scott, I got gloves. So
That was close.
We got dry ice in here. It's pushing off a gas. Everybody say gas. Does anybody raise your hand if you have gas right now?
Oh, stinky. Oh, pink.
They all got gas.
This whole section right here.
What do you think's gonna happen? Hold this. Hold this. We're gonna hold this. Stand right there. All right. Good. Hold on. We're gonna do another one. Is there another picture? Right there.
Thanks, Oprah.
Sciences, can you get that to Skylar?
She eats everything. We just gotta get it back from her.
Take that top off for me.
Now I'm gonna just pick up this dry ice with my hands. Oh, right.
What happened?
I almost picked it up with my hands.
don't do that.
They reminded me.
All right. This is water. It's water. But this water,
It's the H2O compound.
this is H2O. This water is going to actually create a chemical reaction with our dry ice. What do you think is going to happen when I pour this water on our dry ice? What do you think? What do you think? What's going to happen?
It's going to go boom.
It's going to go boom, baby.
Let me ask, what do you think?
Explode.
What?
Explode.
Explosion. Okay, here we go.
Explosion.
Skylar,
You're right.
that's not going to explode. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You may not have your arms after this, but you'll be fine.
We're gonna count this down. Start at 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's so cool! Do you see that? Isn't that cool?
So the great part about dry ice, it goes straight from a solid to a what? Pop quiz. Solid to a what? No, solid to a what? Yeah, straight from a solid to a gas. If I had a regular ice cube, what would happen? I would put it on the ground, it would turn into what? Water, and then it would evaporate and turn into a gas. So this one skips a step. That's why this one's so cool. All right, so cool.
We hope you had a great time at the Galaxy Festival with us. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel to join us on our next adventure.